Ever dreamt of pulling in $25 to $50 an hour from the comfort of your own phone? Picture a world where a few taps on your screen transform into a steady stream of income. Welcome to that world, made possible by an innovative app that pays you for your words, your thoughts, your reviews. Imagine an app that values your opinion, that rewards you for spending time on it. Yes, you heard it right. This is an app that turns your reviews into rewards. It's an opportunity that marries convenience with profitability, opening up a new avenue for earning right at your fingertips. This app harnesses the power of user reviews to shape the future of digital products. And you, yes you, can be a part of this digital revolution. You are not just a user, but a contributor, a critic, a curator of content. Your voice matters, and it's time you get rewarded for it. So how does it work? It's simple. Use the app, write a review and get paid. The more detailed your review, the higher the payout. It's that straightforward. No catch, no gimmicks, just honest pay for honest work. And the best part? You decide when and where to work. Whether you're waiting for a coffee, on a lunch break, or unwinding on your couch at home, your phone is your office. You're in control of your work-life balance. The benefits of this app extend beyond the monetary. It sharpens your analytical skills, improves your writing, and keeps you updated with the latest apps in the market. It's not just an earning opportunity, it's a learning opportunity. In summary, this app presents an unprecedented chance to earn between $25 to $50 an hour, writing reviews on your phone. It's an opportunity to make your voice heard, to influence the digital landscape, and to get paid for it. It's a chance to take control of your time, to work when and where you want, and to grow both personally and professionally. So why wait? The future of earning is here, and it's right in your pocket. Dive into the world of app reviews, make your mark, and start earning today. The link is in the description below. Click on it and start your journey towards a more profitable tomorrow.